Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we will be learning how to use bullet points. This is a level 6 skill. What are bullet points? Bullet points help to organise and structure a piece of writing. They make sections of text easier to understand and help to get key information to the reader quickly. Here are some top tips for using bullet points. Firstly, use a colon to introduce a list. Secondly, put a single item or idea in each bullet point. And thirdly, put each new item or idea on a new line. Here is an example of using bullet points. The first thing to include when using bullet points is a colon after the introduction. Here the introduction is "Plan for the weekend" followed by a colon. Then we list each item on a new line with a bullet point. Tidy bedroom, clean the hamster's cage, do homework. The bullet points make the information much clearer for the reader to understand. Here is a list. At the market I need to buy flowers, vegetables, fruit and fabric. How could this list be organised so that bullet points are used? Pause the video and have a think for yourself. Let's take a look. We begin with the introduction. At the market I need to buy, followed by a colon. We then list each item using bullet points. Flowers, vegetables, fruit, fabric. Putting the items into a list of bullet points like this makes it clearer to read. Here is a summary of the key points in this lesson. Bullet points are used to organise information into a list of points. The text introducing the bullet points should end with a colon, and each new idea or item goes in a new line.